Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana. Happy New Year to everybody watching this channel and not. So every person in the world, I wish that you are having the best days of your life. Best days for crypto are coming as well. Anywhere in 2023, we are going to see a huge pump in the crypto market. The bull cycle will start. Eventually, we do not know the month yet, but we are here to update you every single day about Bitcoin and not only. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. The third tier has only one spot left. Let's go right now to see Solana. Solana in the 15-minute mark had a plus 20%. And why is that? Because Solana reached our target. You remember that we had in a video for Solana that it is going to the 8.50 USDT, and from there we are going to see a huge pump, right? Eventually we had it, and right now we do not have a bullish RSI divergence in the weekly scale, but we are having a similar pattern to this right here. We have 2 times that Solana has gone below the 30s in the RSI in the weekly scale. Now this is very good, and look at that, plus 20%, right? Eventually, if you had a long position on Solana, it went plus 20% in just 5 minutes. Some altcoins need days to make a 20%. Solana made it in just 15 minutes. And right now you can see that it is consolidating a little bit after this huge pump. In the 1 hour frame, we closed in a plus 11%. Right now we want to see if we can manage to go even higher, or this was just a minor pump. Let's draw our fib from this top right here all the way down to this bottom. Right now you can see that we are having a very huge important support level to hold, and that is the 10.95 to 11 USDT. If we can manage to hold it in the lower time frames and in the 4-hour frame, this is going to be pretty good. Then we can manage to go all the way up to the 11.78, again a retest to the 11.78, and it is very possible to go to the 13 USDT. Now from where we are right now, this is a very nice plus 19% profit target. And remember that Solana pumped plus 20% in just 15 minutes, so anything can happen, right? The first thing we need to do is not to lose this support level. Now, if we lose this support level and we close below in the 4-hour frame, that means the most probable scenario it is to retest the lower support levels around 10.50 to 10 USDT. Around there, we are going to stop, and eventually we will see if we can have another buying entry. But for now, what Solana is going to do, it is simply going to hold the support level, right? I'm very optimistic that it can do it. Now, if we cannot though, then be prepared for more correction, and be prepared that Solana is going to retest at 10.50 to 10 USDT, and from there we might be having a nice rebuying entry. After all though, Solana, what it has done right here, it is that it achieved our target in us for a long-term investment, right? Do not think that everything will be going down and down without a single pump. I feel like we are going to see a pump at least inside the bear cycle. We deserve to see something like that, a plus 58%, for example, Solana going back to 17%, okay, or a plus 100%, why not? I'm not saying that we are going to restart the bull cycle, but right now we have multiple chances into seeing a very solid pump in the weekly scale, that it can bring us all the way up, right? For now we have a burden, we have the 20-day MA above our heads. And this is pretty bad, right? Because eventually in the bearish cycles, and you can see in the bearish movements, we have it as a huge resistance level. But I'm very optimistic that Solana could be able, I think that it can be able to go and reach higher levels right here, and to go and surpass the 20-day exponential moving average in the daily frame. After all, I'm very confident that Solana can make it even higher in the weekly scale, going to the 13 USDT, especially if BTC is bullish, right? It turns out to be bullish, then BTC is going to just go all the way up into the next targets, which could be the case that it just goes to the 18.6k again. If it does that, then Solana is going to go up to the 17 USDT probably. And that means Solana is going to fly, right? Because eventually do not think that this bearish market doesn't bring many opportunities. And especially right now that we had a minus 97% correction, right? For Solana, a minus 97% correction was pretty bad. But at the end of the day, it brought out some good opportunities. Right now we sit at a minus 95 to 96. So we are basically at a very good point to invest. Right now you can see also in the daily frame, this is a very huge resistance level where we are right now. Okay, the 11 USDT, because it was a support level back here, that's why we are actually having some of the selling pressure right here. You can see that right there we have a sell pressure going on. But anyway, we will see if we can manage to hold the 11 to 10.95. Losing that though will be bad, pretty bad. Okay, you can see how of an important resistance level that is. So closing below in the daily frame, the 10.95 probably will get us further down, okay, to the 10.20 to 10.50. Expect a correction if we do not close above. If we close above, then everything is going to be fine. And this is a great reinvesting opportunity for Solana. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Third tier has only one spot left. Thank you and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.